So today we are doing an unboxing. I have a thing. I really love unboxings now. Yeah. Now, I actually know what this is, unlike the one I filmed yesterday. And I put up on TikTok. So it's not very good. I should have done a little better. But anyway, today's unboxing is from Fangirling Over Jesus. And I have really enjoyed looking through her shop. And then she had a little contest on Instagram the few weeks ago, and I got a coupon code for this, and I'm very excited. And I guess I should have ripped it open before I did this, but I did not. Okay. I kind of thought it would come in a box, but it didn't. I'm in a big bag. Big bag. Alright. So she had a new line of con bags, which are fancy backpacks. Okay. And I picked out the Budapest. This is my convention backpack, also known as Black Widow, because, yeah. But she had several different ones, and I quite really like the Doctor Who one as well. She included a little note here. And it says, "Thank you so much for being part of the FOJ family. Our mission is to find gospel truth in everyday pop sci-fi culture, and we love what we do. I hope this project is encouraging to you. Please share your photos with us or tag us," which I will totally do. But I asked her, Ashley, about doing an unboxing video, and she loved the idea, so here we are. Alright, so here it is. Woo! So cool. It says, "This is my convention bag," and it has the Black Widow logo, but also the Hawkeye arrow, which I love the whole Clint and Natasha relationship. And then there's a quote, "We're a long way from Budapest," which I'm really, really, really hoping Black Widow opens up and tells us a little bit about Budapest, but we'll see. We haven't quite gotten to the movie yet. So, let's see, there's a nice big pocket on the front for your survival kit, which you'll see. I don't know if you can see inside or not. See, it's got a list for cons. Everything you might need to survive a con. Camera, cash, comfy shoes, cosplay essentials, entry badge. Well, I just keep mine on my phone. But, you know what? Let's see. Oh, yep, good. Portable charger. That is definitely on the list, and it's very important. My first big con I went to, my brother and I, our phones died, and we could not find each other. And FYI, trying to find somebody in a giant con hall is dang near impossible. Alright, so now we're going to open it up. And I like how it folds over the zipper, so it makes it difficult for someone else to unzip it. Like if you're wearing it at a con. Which I'm hoping to go to a big con in March. I could totally bring this. Very roomy inside. See, very roomy. And then it has this little pocket here you could put your laptop in if you had a laptop. I don't have a laptop, but I do have a Kindle. And let's see. Yep, fits very nicely. Which I know is actually smaller than a laptop, but it works. It works. And then it has nice, thick, padded handles, which is very good because you don't want to have anything that doesn't have a padded handle in a con hall, especially if you're going to be lugging around a big backpack all day. My brother did that. And then on the back here, it has another little zipper compartment, which you could, it's not very big, but you could put your cash in there, or maybe your cell phone. That would be very handy, or even parts of your cosplay that are tiny, but you don't want to get lost in the bigger compartment. That'd be very handy. Which, of course, I guess you could always use the front for as well. But, you know. But I think it's a really nice bag, and you can get your own at the Fangirling Over Jesus Etsy shop. And they have several different ones. They have Doctor Who, they have Star Wars, they have Star Trek, Firefly, and of course, Black Widow. which I think I'm going to have to carry around just for the heck of it. Just for fun. So, if you are interested in checking out her shop, I will be linking it below. So, thank you, Ashley, for the coupon code and the super cool bag. I'm going to really enjoy this. And I'm really hoping to get to use it at a con soon. Oh, please, I need to go to a con. Be so much fun. Alright, so that's the unboxing video for the day. This time, anyway. Might have a new one coming up soon. But Fangirling Over Jesus, really nice shop. Ashley is fantastic. She's really nice. You can contact her at Fangirling Over Jesus on Instagram and on Etsy. And I think on Facebook as well. So, there you go. Thanks for watching. And remember to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. I'd really like to know. Have a good one.